Hi everybody, welcome to Big Time Fantastic. I'm Lacey, this is Eric.
Hi.
We're here to do an unboxing. We got a box of Universal Yums. This is for the month of September 2023. This is the first time, this is not sponsored. This is the first time we've done this box with this company, and so we got to pick it, and we chose the, let's just open it right on up. We chose the, will you pronounce this for me so I don't get it wrong? The
Czech Republic.
The
Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
This is Bavarian. This
Czech
is not
Republic.
Czech. I'm wearing this because we went to Bavarian town.
We got some stickers on that. Here's our little booklet of the yummies that are inside. And then we got a little, like a little guide too about our experience that we're about to have. So, are you ready to get started?
From Czechia? Czechia.
Alright. The first thing on our list. Bacon Jalapeno chips. Crispy pan-fried bacon in a cheese chip. Ooh, it smells good. That's yeah, that's a good potato chip. It's light and crispy, like a good Lay's. That's a delightful crunch. Let's see you.
It's got, can't really pinpoint the flavor on it. Jalapeno bacon poppers. Jalapeno bacon poppers.
It doesn't have an overwhelming.
They're great if you don't, if
flavor.
if you're afraid of them. Because yeah, they're not real hot.
It makes me want to get the cottage cheese out that's in the fridge and like dip them in cottage cheese or like scoop it on. Like that just sounds like a really
I
good.
love how they have to specify.
Made from potatoes.
What else would you make them from?
You know, potatoes. Alright, our next candy or our next item on the list. Raspberry pressed candies. Like Pez, but way juicier is what the description says. Okie dokie then.
Where's this one come from? Oh. Hello.
What does it say?
Wow.
Ooh. Oh yeah. It like melts in your mouth. It's sugar. Sugar powder so fine it'll melt on your tongue for a juicy sensation like none you've ever experienced. I don't know if I've ever experienced that before. That was pretty tasty. We've had a few shots of this.
It's like a. It's like a Smarties meets a smooth.
Smarties meets a Pez. Like it's just kind of smooth.
Just also, yeah, that's amazing.
Alright, next on our list are these apple and cinnamon soft candies.
All fun.
So, your camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. We haven't had any dinner, so we probably should have had dinner first.
That's alright.
Ooh, yummy.
You know, we share what we found on our
Cheers.
second-hand store adventuring.
Warm cheddar strudel like you've never before. Chewy! Apple and cinnamon strudel gummy
There
sticks.
it is. Okay. Okay, right there at the end. It was just like, I was waiting for it. And finally, finally at the end, it was just like, pow, strudel. Up till the end, though, boy, it's got you guessing.
That's pretty tasty. Alright, next. We have dark chocolate nut bar. Chock full of peanuts, almonds, and pistachios.
Oh. Like a.
Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be tasty.
Something to drink here. I'll hide the logo. Because these guys are not sponsoring us, that's for sure.
Not sponsored.
Okay.
It's nuts and dark chocolate.
Like a health bar.
I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty good.
I suddenly feel healthy. Like healthier. What is that? Like quinoa and nuts and dark chocolate.
Roasted peanuts, almonds, invert sugar, dark chocolate, roasted pistachio, honey, rice flour.
For the most part, it's actually really healthy stuff. It is like, yeah, it's really healthy fruit bar. It's like those ones we get, you know, the cashews and not to name names, but the super popular American version that has salt and nuts.
Alright, next. Ooh, oatmeal coconut cookies. These look pretty good.
Oh wow.
Half chocolate, half crumbly oats, all yum.
Yum.
That's what it says. It's a delicious success. Ooh, they look tasty. Ooh. Ooh, they're like all wafery thin. Look how tasty that is. Cheers.
That's some kind of Cajun thing. I think it's coconut. Like it's all made out of coconut. It's really very tooth-filling.
That should be so good in the morning with coffee. Let's get munch on this. Because then it would like go down real nice and easy with the coffee.
Okay. I'm getting this thing now.
Is it like saying where the things are from?
Yeah, strudel. This one's got the jalapeno chips.
Oh, yay, pretzels. I'm not the biggest fan of any pretzel.
Okay, Kootenahora. Here's something, a little tidbit for you. Kootenahora, no bones about it. This is one of the most interesting towns in Czechia. Meet the home of Sedlec ossuary, decorated with the bones of almost 70,000 people. Its macabre architecture has earned its nickname, the Bone Church. That's where the Bone Church is. Okay. Interesting.
Caraway pretzel bites. Huh. Oh.
Yes, we should be rating this. We really should, because there's something into them.
You send it back? No, you just take a pic of it and then you send it to them.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So what did you think of that? Are you a big caraway fan?
Kind of on the fence, but I mean, those are pretty good. I don't usually care for pretzels.
You don't like licorice that much either, correct?
Not really, but honestly, they're pretty good. Next is Ketchup Ghost Potato Puffs. And they look kind of happy about it. Like, ketchup lovers will positively scream.
I've never been more happy to be a ghost of ketchup.
Apparently these are scary good ghost ketchup ghosts.
Scary good ketchup ghosts.
So they're not very puffy. Like,
what is that?
they're kind of rather flat, but they look pretty happy. Okay, that's just good. That's stupid good. Hold on one second.
What's that say?
Where?
On the back right here, what's that say?
I don't know. It's in the language I can't read. They're just so happy though. Look at these happy little ghosts. Ah. They're really good.
Is it? What is it? Ketchup?
It's ketchup flavor.
Or is it? It's barbecue. No. It's like.
Huh. These are really tasty.
The crunch is really weird. It's like a. I don't want to say it. I love this. Yeah, okay, wow.
Okay, these are like pieces of these surrounded by a slightly harder canned shell.
Yummier.
Really good though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the only thing left now is Chez potato soup mix. Ah! Thanks, Lovey. And to cook it, I don't know how to cook this.
Oh.
Oh
Let me
my
pull
God.
out my pocket tissue.
Oh no, it's just we've had like a few shots of whiskey before filming this.
I
and
don't
I'm
know
just-
what she's talking about.
Woo! I don't know how to cook this.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, we'll have to figure out how we're gonna cook this. Otherwise, drinky poos were happening before this video.
These are yummy little tarts.
I mean, overall, like, this is a really tasty box.
Okay, through the magic of hypnosis. You're back.
This is the potato soup mix. This says it's an easy to make version with carrots, parsnips, and cabbage. It smells incredible.
Smells like turkey day gravy.
That's pretty good. They're so
Yeah,
hot.
that's really good. The flavor's delicious. It's hot. Hotter than Hades' doorstep.
Good.
It's delicious.
I would say overall for this box of Universal Yums, for our first box, like, I would say 10 out of 10 stars. Every snack in here was really good. There wasn't a single snack I'm like, ew. No. Every snack was good.
You want to hand me the score chart there? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, please.
What kind of box was this?
Universal Yums.
Universal Yums. Czech Republic, Czechia.
Double thumbs up.
Awesome.
Super enjoyed.
Thank you so much, and
Peace out. Love ya.
adios.
Bye.
What is goodbye in Chechen?
I'm not sure.
Pozdravia. Peace.
Peace.